Yeah, look, AMC into trade of the day. Welcome, guys. Yeah, I didn't even care about that debt news. Didn't really matter to me too much. We were just looking at volatility and volume. AMC yesterday, look at this dip, guys, all the way down to 14 and change yesterday. So we knew we wanted to be on some of these names. I mean, everything is rocking and rolling. So AMC, just another one that we chose. And if we go look over here, what I want to talk about was that 1550 bottom. Look, we had to try to pick it somewhere. It's on this sticky note at $16, but you know, we were saying, let's wait for this. And we get a magic fill. And I don't know, and this is on this debt news. This is what Brendan's going to talk about in a second here, what I'm going to talk about. There's that level, and look where we were actually sitting right here. So we actually defended. We got long at 1560. When that story came out that they were restructuring, I'm not even sure what it was anymore after this, but we got long down here. The point is, we were trying to get long earlier, and long was good for us. We wanted to defend this area. We have a pre-market sort of, I don't know, back and forth here channel, I guess you could say, pre-market channel that we sort of liked on AMC. That's where our first trade here is actually just as the market opens and we get long a little bit below $16. Take that to the upside. Our best outs here, 1640, and then in here. What we also looked at was this pre-market high of 1610, which we wound up taking. So AMC today was a great trade. The thing was, when we got this fill, then it was boom, boom. We take some out here as it comes back down. This is 1560. So when we're taking these out up here, we're in the money like 50, 60, 70 cents, kind of out of nowhere. You see it's a big spike down, which was wrong. It was actually good news for the market. So you see it's taking it back up. And then here we get out again into this range, back where we finished yesterday at. And then right now we're started getting back to the upside. We're still long AMC, but we're only long a little small piece. Was looking to see if it took out this 1640, and then we try to get out up here somewhere near 17. We're trying to hold AMC. We know the apes are all over this. Retail seems to be back on AMC, and you can even just see, just from yesterday, right? Big monster decline down as everything got washed, and then straight to the upside. Almost no, as Brad would say, no cap to the upside right now. Just keeps on going all the way straight up. So, hey, it's AMC. We knew there was going to be momentum in this name, and here it is today. Nice barcode, but we've already taken advantage of some of these dips. So it's AMC. It's your trade of the day, and it's a good one.